welcome to my life. We're going to, I teach you to sulat number 4.
Right. I teach you how to write number 4. O, di ba guys? Galing ni Pip, no? Whatever. At least, he knows how to English, to speak English, how to speak in front of you all. O, sige, sulat ka para makita nila na magaling may nasulat ka. Alam mo. Sige na, sulat ka na. Pakita mo na sa kanila na marunong ka magsulat.
Samad.
Anong verse mo na, Nehemiah 8:10. B, action B, pakita mo sa kanila.
Nehemiah 18. The joy of the Lord is my strength.
Wow! Palakpak naman kayo dyan! Niya mag-video daw siya, kaya yan.
Nadungog na ko sila na palakpak.
Oh! Nadungog daw niya ang inyong mga palakpak.
Palakpak bug.
Oh,
Mark 11:22. God faith in God.
yay! Palakpak kayo dyan!
Psalm 1:7. The Lord is good. Ephesians 6:1. The joy
Children,
of children obey our parents
in the Lord,
in the Lord,
for this is right.
for this is right.
Yung Luke 1:37.
Luke 1:37. The Lord is good.
Dili.
Ay.
Increase.
Our faith.
Yan, very good. Tung the joy of the Lord, Nehemiah.
The joy of the Lord is my strength.
Yan, Nehemiah.
Strength. Come on, strength. Stop.
8:10. Where's done for 8? No.
Hi guys, welcome to my live. We're going to teach you to sulat.
Right.
Writing 4. Writing 4. Gung.
Next. Paano sila waymaker na lang, be? Hindi na kasi
Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, like in the darkness, my God, that is who you are.
Sa pagkatay mong kanta, don't bless the Lord.
Mag-early. Gay.
Sige na, kausapin mo mga tao dyan ko. Sige na, magbabay ka na lang. Ibabay na tayo. Mag-verse ka muna bago magbabay.
Hi.
Ito, kuan.
Ayaw ma. Bawal.
Hindi magbabay.
Hindi.
Sige.
Paano
Minsan mo
nagbabay?
magsulat kasi nagpanood sila sa'yo, nanonood sila. Dapat very good ka.
For John 4:8. God is love. Mark 11:22. God faith in God. Home 1:7. The Lord is good.
First John,
For John 4:8. God is love.
Nehemiah,
Nehemiah 18. The joy of the Lord is my strength.
Luke 1:37.
Luke 1:37. The Lord is good.
Who increase?
Increase our faith. All to His name together.
Very good! Gamay na lang.
Matthew 13:3.
Magnify. Action.
Magnify
The
the Lord with me.
With me. And exalt His name
Together.